So you see this big hill, man, that's how I see life. Everything in life it's not gonna come easy. And I'm all for, you know, getting the right proper tools and the proper help. But sometimes you got just you and what God has given you. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to just make no excuses, and we're gonna go up this hill regardless of what the pain feels like. Why? Because the objective is to get on top of the hill. Be honest with you, in business it's the same way. I remember 20-something years ago, I mean, listen, didn't know what I was gonna do, but I seen this hill and I said, yo, you could either stay at the bottom of the hill or you could start strolling, pushing yourself, even though it would be nice if somebody's actually helping you. And you know, at times, I'm not gonna lie, I would actually stop and you know, feel sorry for myself, get a little upset about that situation. And I promise you, whether it's the middle of the winter, middle of the summer, I couldn't sit there and just wait for somebody to come, because nobody was coming. And that's how I feel about business. That's how I feel about, you know, being in a position where you having a 9-to-5 and you're finding yourself in the rat race, and you're like, man, there's got to be something more. There is, you know, but nobody says it's going to be easy. What I do say is this: first, though, be grateful for what you do have. The fact that you have a 9-to-5 that's paying your bills, paying your overhead, taking care of that bed that you lay in every night, that roof over your head, that's a win. The next thing that you have to start doing is identifying, how can I use what I have to be able to get and leverage more opportunities. And so for me, being in this chair, being in this chair for what I do have is what? The wheelchair. And so the only thing I have is my 2 arms pushing myself all the way up to the top of this hill, period. And that's how I see it. Identify what you have, identify what works, identify how you could use that vehicle, meaning that job, and turning that into more opportunities.